If you are over the age of 18, you need to get on YouTube right now. Content creation is the highest it's ever been. Statistically speaking, year after year, stats and numbers for content creators grow. And I'm not talking about a little growth. I'm talking about there's big growth every single year for content creators. It starts with just you pushing the record button. Content creation is the number one way to make money online. I don't care if you're in the United States. I don't care if you're in China. It doesn't matter where you are. Content creation is the number one way. And I say this because all you got to do is record content and or document content. When you record content, it's usually some type of sequence of videos that you came up with, right? When you document, you're just basically recording whatever you're doing on a daily, day-to-day basis anyway. Understand that you don't have to create content. Just record content. If you're over the age of 18, I'm speaking to you. If you're over the age of 30, I am speaking to you. If you're over the age of 40 or 50 or 60, I am speaking to you. Content creation is the new way out. Now, I'm not saying you shouldn't invest and do things like that, but content creation is something that will be here forever. Okay? And so the best way for you to put your footprint on this planet is to create content. Record what you do. Try to get better at it day by day. 1%. 1% is going to get the job done. Okay? Long form content, videos, that's where it's at. Shorts, lives, those community posts, those are all cool as well, right? But long form content is where it's at. If I could speak with my younger self, I would record content every single day. Every single day that you create content, you will get better at it. You don't necessarily got to have a video planned out where you're doing this and you're doing that, right? All you got to do is press record and just go. It's not going to be easy for everybody off jump. That's why you got to work at it, right? How good are you going to be if you only record one video a day? All right. What if you do 2 videos a day? What if you do 3 videos a day? How good would you be? What's those numbers look like? Will your watch time go up? It's a process, people. Trust the process. Enjoy the process. Keep pushing. Keep going, right? Try to find your way in this content creation world. It only goes up from here with Meta and AI and stuff like that. But I wish I started making more consistent content when I was younger. I wish I was more purposeful with my content creation when I was younger. I would have a backlog of so many things. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Got it. What I do now, I make long form content. I get better at it day by day. I make multiple videos. My niche is helping people make money, whether that's in person or online. In my opinion, the best way to make money is online because you can do it from anywhere. Anywhere. And then the best way to make money online, content creation. I've dedicated this channel to helping people make money online. I plan on creating content that's purposeful, that's going to help people out in the long run. Not only the generation now, but the future generation, right? So the youngins as well, right? And you got to understand, if people know better, they're going to do better. If they know better, they'll do better. A lot of people don't know that if you just record videos every single day and you do it consistently, YouTube is going to pay you. And it sounds too easy to be true. That's why I don't think a lot of people do it. But I also understand that there's a lot of people coming into content creation year after year after year. More and more content creators are coming through. Okay? It's a process. All you got to do is create content and get better.